I'm back again. Yes, I know I always take long, but one time is so busy, there's no time. Okay, so I have here some garlic already minced up and some oil, and putting some a pinch of cumin. I'm going to make black eyed pea kind of stew way. I don't know how to call it in English, but let me call it black eyed pea stew. So we got our garlic. Now I have some onions chopped up, roughly chopped, like my mom says, roughly chopped, measuring your nails. She always said that sarcastically. Okay, so now we have some peppers, red and green, and we're going to put all that in there. The main important thing here is always I tell anybody, the important part here is the sofrito, since that is what gives it all the delicious flavor in whatever you decide to cook. Okay, so it's already on medium-low heat, so we're going to stir fry this sofrito until it's well caramelized. Okay, so right now you see how the volume is, it's so high up and raw, so we're going to stir fry it up until it's well caramelized. I'll be back. Okay, so it's been probably 10 minutes, 15 minutes, I'm not even sure. But you can see it has shrunk a bit. Okay, so you can see it's caramelizing. Okay, so now I'm going to add is water that I kind of rinsed my garlic chopper. And this thing has like 2 cups. So I'm putting a cup and a half of water there. And these are the black eyed peas, right? Just in case maybe someone doesn't know, they have the black. I guess that's why it's called black eyed peas. Okay, so I'm going to put some in here. This, I soaked it for 7 hours, so it kind of rose a bit. It grew, right? In my cup it says 1,500 ml. That's how much it grew up to. I did not measure it, sorry guys. These are just more ideas for you to take to your own kitchen, right? Alright, so I put everything in there. And now I'm going to add 2 more cups of water. And this will be very tasty, believe me. Okay, now we're gonna add a bit of salt. Okay, so salt to taste. It's not even a tablespoon. And we stir it, and then you can taste it if it's enough salt, and then add more if it needs. All right, so we're gonna raise our heat to high so it boils. Okay, so I'm going to taste it. Okay, it's perfect. It's not even cooked and it tastes good. But with the beans, it will even taste even more better. Once it starts kind of, you know, some of them disintegrating, it makes the broth more thick. I love it when it comes like that. Alright, so now we're going to wait until this boils, and then we'll put the heat down to medium so it simmers. It's about to boil, as you can see bubbles already forming. So I'm just going to cover it. Now I'll be back just in a couple minutes. Okay, so this is boiling. Just gonna give it a little stir. I'm gonna let it boil for 1 minute on high, and then I'll just put it on medium-low heat. Okay, so on medium-low heat, it will boil and cook nicely. I'll be back once it's cooked. Okay, so this has been boiling like crazy, and now it is nicely cooked. You see how much water it has lessened. It's really nice. Now here is when you decide if you wanna squeeze some out so the broth can come thick. I don't know if I do want to do that. I'm gonna add a bit more water. I'm gonna add like maybe a cup, and that's about it. I'm happy with that. I might squeeze just a little with my hand. I don't want to use a masher really, because I don't really want to squeeze the whole grains here, but just a slight bit, not much. That's it. I don't really want much. Alright, so that's all, my friends. Now we're gonna serve this with nice white rice or whatever rice you made. Very easy, very simple, delicious. So now it's time to serve. Alright, my friends, so here is the results, and I hope you try it out. It's very easy, very delicious. I guarantee you will love it. Let me know below, comment below, if you liked it or not, and how you did it different, because you know, all of us have our special touch in our own kitchens. So yes, we all have a special touch, a special secret, or and special ingredient. All right, my friends, so thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you're new, and hope to see you again in the next video. Happy cooking. Bye.